Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student 5th grade. How are you today? I hope you are all healthy. Before we start our lesson, let's say Basmalah and pray. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahman waj'alni minas solihin. Amin. Welcome to my math class. We are going to learn chapter 3 about fraction. In this video, we will learn 6 topics. 1. Division of whole numbers as fraction. 2. Converting fraction to decimals. 3. Adding and subtracting fraction. 4. Adding and subtracting mixed number. 5. Multiplying a proper fraction and whole number. 6. Multiplying an improper fraction and a whole number. Do you know what is a fraction? A fraction is part of a whole. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole object. Look at the fraction. 2/3. The number above the line is called numerator. The line is called fraction bar or division bar. The number below the line is called denominator. Division of whole numbers as fraction. Express its answer as a fraction in its simplest form. 4 divided by 6. 4, 6. There are 3 steps to find simple form. First step, list factors of 4 and 6. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Now 6. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Second step, find greatest common factors of 4 and 6. 2 is greatest common factors of 4 and 6. Third step, divide by greatest common factors. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So simplest form of 4, 6 is 2/3. Express each answer as a mixed number. Show how you do the division. 7 divided by 4. 7/4 equal to 1 and 3/4. Using long division. 7 divided by 4. 7/4. numerator inside the division bracket and denominator outside the division bracket. 7 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 subtract 4 is 3. 3 is remainder. 1 is quotient and 4 is divisor. Quotient, remainder, divisor. So, one and 3/4. So 7 divided by 4 is 1 and 3/4. Converting fraction to decimals. Express the following fraction as decimals. 7/28. Find an equivalent fraction where the denominator is 10, 100, or 1000. 20 goes into 100. 20 times 5 is 100. Numerator times 5 2. 7 times 5 is 35. There are 2 zeros in 100. So move to step the left on the number of 35. 1, 2. So equal to 0,30. Express 2/9 as a decimals. Round the answer to 1 decimals place. 2/9. 2 divided by 9 is 0,22. Because 2 1 decimal place, so 2 divided by 9 is 0,2. Adding and subtracting fractions. For example, 1. Add 2/3 and 1/5. 2/3 plus 1/5. Find the same denominator first, using the first common multiple of 3 and 5. Multiple of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Multiple of 5 are 5, 10, and 15. So, the first common multiple of 3 and 5 is 15. 3 goes into 15. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 15th. 5 goes into 15. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times 3 is 3. Plus 3 15th. 10 15th plus 3 15th is 13 15th. Number 2. Subtract 3 4th from 5 6th. 5 6th. Subtract 3 4th. Find the same denominator first, using the first common multiple of 4 and 6. Multiple of 4 are 4, 8, and 12. Multiple of 6 are 6 and 12. The first common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. Next, 6 goes into 12. 6 times 2 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. Become 10 12th. 4 goes into 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9. Become 9 12th. 10 12th. Subtract 9 12th is 1 12th. Adding and subtracting mixed numbers. For example, Peter has 1.5 pizzas. Ravi has 1.3 pizzas. How many pizzas do they have all together? Express the answer as a mixed number. Look at the picture. 1.5 plus 1.3. Find the first common multiply of 2 and 3. The first common multiply of 2 and 3 is 6. 1 3 6 plus 1 2 6. 1 3 6 plus 1 2 6 equal to 2 5 6. So they have 2 5 6 pizzas all together. Mrs. Lee had 2.5 pancakes. She gave 1/5 pancakes to her friend. How many pancakes were left? Give the answer as a mixed number. Look at the picture. 2.5 subtract 1/2. Find the first common multiply first. Do you know what is the first common multiply of 2 and 5? Yes, the first common multiply of 2 and 5 is 10. 2/5 subtract 1/4. So 2/5 subtract 1/4 is 1/1. So 1/1 pancakes were left. Multiplying a proper fraction and whole number. For example, there are 10 apples and oranges in a basket altogether. 3/5 of the fruits are apples. How many apples are there? There are two methods. Method 1. 3/5 of 10 equal to blah blah blah. 5 units is 10. 1 unit is 10 divided by 5 is 2. 3 units is 3 times 2 is 6. Method 2. We can show division by cancellation. Cancelling implies that the set of 10 apples, when divided into 5 equal groups, gives 2 apples per group. So 3 times 2 is 6. There are 6 apples. Multiplying an improper fraction and whole number. For example, find the value of 3 seconds times 2. 3 seconds times 2 is 2 times 3 divided by 2 is 3. Number 2. Find the product of 4 and 7/3. 4 times 7/3. 4 times 7 divided by 3. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 divided by 3 is 9 and 1/3. I think enough for today. Thank you for your attention. Before closing this lesson, let's say Hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Always study hard and practice at home. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.